What's happening, fellas? We got another diamond from the Ed Brechka collection. This one is a YZ450FX, which was specifically built by Yamaha for GNCC off-road racing, closely based on the YZ450 motocross bike. And this one's brand spanking new. It's never been clicked into gear and ridden down the driveway or even in the museum. We got this from Ed Brechka with his collection of NOS brand new bikes. Ed's retiring and moving down south, so we're gonna put them all up for sale and find a new home for him. To buy the same bike in 24 out the door with tax, title, freight prep, dealer setup and everything, you'd be pushing $12,000. This one's gonna be substantially under 10, and it's perfect and brand new. In fact, we went through it to make sure everything was perfect. We installed a brand new battery in it. We're using VP94 ethanol-free fuel. We changed the oil with new Bel-Ray 1040 oil. Changed the coolant with new engine ice coolant. Put a new NGK spark plug in it. Put a new air filter in it, oiled and installed. And went through the whole bike. Flushed and bled the front and rear brake fluid. We put a brand new, upgraded the chain to a gold chain. And it's ready to go. Ed kept these in his climate-controlled facility in New Jersey and never rode it. So he also had a WR. The WR is right over there. This is the FX. And I can't think of a better off-road weapon for GNCC. So this is a cross-country motorcycle that blends the high-performance characteristics of the YZ450F motocross model with features tailored for off-road and GNCC. It's a 449cc liquid-cooled double overhead cam, 4-stroke single cylinder with 4 titanium valves. I had the 2010 version of this, and I had 192 hours on it. I bought it to the dealer to have the valves adjusted over X-Pro. He's my own engine builder. And he said it doesn't need adjusting. They were perfect, and I beat the shit out of that thing and panic revved it for 2 seasons straight. So the titanium valves are bulletproof. Has a 12.5-to-1 compression ratio and Yamaha fuel injection with a Kian 44mm throttle body. It also has a wide ratio 5-speed constant mesh transmission, and the front suspension is the best in the industry. Fully adjustable Kayaba spring-type fork with speed-sensitive dampening with 12.2 inches of travel. The rear suspension is Kayaba single shock, fully adjustable with 12.5 inches of travel. The rear brake is a single 245mm disc. The front brake is a single 270mm disc. It has Dunlop AT81F front and AT81 rear tires. Seat height's at 38 inches. Ground clearance is 12.8. It has an oversized 2-gallon gas tank, and it has excellent performance and handling. The engine delivers a controllable, torquey power character and strong top-end power, tuned specifically for cross-country racing. The bike's handling is nimble thanks to quick steering and a very responsive motor. Riders have reported that the bike feels surprisingly light and agile on the trail. It also has electric start, which enhances convenience, especially in challenging off-road conditions. And of course, the 18-inch off-road spec rear wheel provides better traction and a smoother ride over rough terrain. The kickstand is included and adds practicality for off-road riders during stops. These features and more make the YZ450X a versatile choice for riders seeking a competitive edge in cross-country racing or a capable machine for diverse off-road adventures. So whether you're doing the Paris to Dakar rally, the Baja 500, or you want to put a plate on this thing from Dirt Legal and ride it to the store, put some Supermoto tires on it, whatever you want to do. It's a very versatile machine, and with the titanium valve YZ reverse engine, that is, the exhaust port is on the rear and the intake is on the front. It's a spectacular off-road machine. Again, this one is brand spanking new. I believe it's the last new 2016 YZ450 for sale in the world today. We checked online, we didn't find any other new ones. And it's like buying a new bike. Well, it is a new bike. You're buying a new bike, but thousands of dollars off the replacement cost. So there's only one. Give Junior a call, 860-454-7024. This one will be gone in a New York second, I'm sure. Also, we can finance this just like any other new bike here and the used bikes through Freedom Road with competitive rates. We can ship it right to your door, white glove shipping, roll on, roll off right to your door. And we also take trades. So if you really want to get a brand new 450 off-road enduro bike that has got the best of everything, your ship just came in. Give us a call. Thanks for watching, and God bless America. I'm telling you from experience, these YZ450s are straight up nasty. If you don't pull the whole shot at the J-Day event, you messed up. It's got everything. Electric start, fuel injected, the best suspension money can buy, and it's brand new, and there's nothing like a freshie, brand new, right out of the crate like this one. And you don't have that post-purchase dissonance because you didn't spend $12,000. Thanks for watching. Give Junior a call, and God bless America.